In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide prices on Shopify, a feature that can be quite useful if you're aiming to create more curiosity among your potential customers or if you're running a wholesale shop and want to prompt users to inquire about pricing individually. Let's get started by looking into how we can accomplish this in a few straightforward steps. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, take a moment to navigate over to the Online Store section, which you'll find on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This area will give you access to all things related to your store's appearance and functionality. When you're there, click on Themes. You'll now see your current theme displayed prominently at the top. We need to dive into the code of this theme, so go ahead and click on the Actions button right next to it. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Edit Code. You'll now be redirected to the page filled with various files and folders that collectively determine how your store looks and behaves. It can seem a bit intimidating at first, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. What we want to do is locate the template that displays product pricing. To do this, look for a folder named Sections and click to expand it. You're aiming to find a file typically named producttemplate.liquid. Click to open this file. With this file open, you're plunging into the heart of your product page's coding. Now, press Ctrl F or Command F on a Mac to bring up the search functionality. In the search bar that appears, type price. You should see various results highlighting code lines related to product pricing. The task here is to encapsulate this pricing code with special conditional logic that essentially says, don't display this unless a certain condition is met. So, seek out lines that look like they correspond to your product's pricing format. Carefully comment out or conditionally hide these lines by using liquid tags. Liquid tags are special snippets used to specify conditions in the Shopify code. They look something like this, if false, or unless customer. By wrapping the price code in such tags, you're essentially instructing Shopify not to show them. Once you've altered the necessary code, find the Save button in the upper right corner of the code editor and click on it. With these changes in place, navigate back to your Shopify store front end and refresh the page to see your changes take effect. If done correctly, the prices will have disappeared from your product listings. By following these steps, you can successfully hide prices on your Shopify store. Remember, modifying Shopify's code can be powerful, but it requires a bit of practice and understanding. Whenever you're making these changes, it's always a good idea to make backups of the original code, just in case you need to revert back. Thanks for following along, and happy selling!